Hello and welcome back to the Beauty Carryout. Jumping right in, let's get into a pedicure. Today we are doing a pedicure for a male client. Now normally with my male clients, they have their feet unexposed versus having them exposed. So there needs to be just a little bit more attention paid to the areas where we can have buildup, sweat, fungus, dirt, we have lint, just average things that come along with wearing shoes and socks or not wearing socks with shoes. You get the picture. So as you can see, I am removing as much buildup as I can with a cuticle pusher. He has been previously soaking for a good 15, maybe even 20 minutes. And I am just doing another scrub. I do this throughout my client services, and that's just because this is not your corner nail supply service carry out. Okay, so I do the best with what I have, and I have not received a complaint yet. Thank you to those that have not complained yet. I do what I can with what I have. So once I've already completed the next scrubbing phase, I am going through with a nice foot scrub that has all of those good juicy nutrients and vitamins in it to help replace all of the damaged skin, help correct and heal any issues that may be missed or that may begin to occur. So I just want to make sure that I get everything out of there. I'm cutting down as much of his free edge as I possibly can. And now I am going around his cuticles with a sanding band. So what I like to do through each course as I'm cleaning around the cuticle, as I'm preparing the nail, I like to go through each time with a little fiber brush. Even though we brush off and rinse the area that we're working on, I still feel the need to go through and around those cuticles just to make sure there aren't any loose or missed particles, because those two can create infection and fungus and nightmares. That's what pedicure nightmares are made of. So I just want to make sure that I am paying very close attention to all of those corners and dark areas and crevices that we sometimes miss, because they can cause us a lot of problems in the future. I tried to record as much as I possibly could. I will speed up quite a bit, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask me below. Another thing that I always take advantage of is that I can control my speed and my pressure when I am working on the nail bed. Although I may use a lot of drill bits, it's not turned past 2. When I have it that low, I can still use every bit that I want, because now I can control the pressure that I apply it with. This allows me to be able to file like I'm coloring or I'm writing, and it allows me to get into areas that I normally can't reach without maybe tweezers or a cuticle nipper or scissors. Every cuticle area does not require scissors, and I learned that the hard way. But then again, I have an addiction to cuticles. You don't always have to nip or cut. There are a billion drill bits out. As a matter of fact, there's one that I really, really love that is meant for the cuticles. And I've turned this thing up to about 7 to 10 notches, and there is absolutely no damage. You can't do that with a diamond ball bit. You're going to get cut or feel some kind of friction eventually. But with this drill bit, because it's used for cuticles, you're not going to damage any other skin, because it's only meant to take off the dry skin that you don't want. And you'll see me use it. It's white. I do not know the name of it, but if I find it before I post this video, I will definitely include it in the description. So I'm using a billion bits, but I'm also using them at a low enough speed where I can be very meticulous and get where I want without hurting my client. And this is the white cuticle bit that I was just talking about a, a bit ago. And at this point, we are winding down to the end of the pedicure. I'm going to wipe him down. You will see me use the fiber brush. But that's pretty much it, guys. Do a massage at the end and happy customer. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.